Okay, folks, this is just a test on the Nikon Nikkor AF-S 200 to 400 millimeter F4G second series ED lens. I get a lot of birds in my yard because I always take care of them. I feed them, and I'm videoing this from my room. Okay, and there we go. I'm gonna do this manual. Okay, they disappeared again. Come back and forth. It's not easy trying to keep up with them because they move so quickly. But this is just really just to show you how sharp this lens really is. And I believe these are starlings. Could be wrong. But I get about 5 different types of birds in this area. And I come into my yard. Depends on the time of year and the time of day. So if you're into nature or sports, I think this lens is it's a magnificent lens. And remember, I'm not really shooting this with high definition as I should be. You know, I might take a picture real quick after this.